Hello everyone, today I bring to you a very quick, instant and delicious recipe called Nimbu Ki chutney. So let's get started. In a blender, add 120 grams of lemon cut into small pieces. Make sure there are no seeds whatsoever. To it I add 40 grams of sugar, 4 grams of onion seeds or Kalonji, 5 grams fennel seed or Sauf, 7 grams fenugreek seed or Methi dana, 10 grams salt, 5 grams hot red chili powder, 3 grams turmeric powder, and a pinch of asafoetida or Heeng. Blend it all in a mixer without any water. You can make this chutney chunky or a fine paste as per your choice, but I feel that the paste version makes the spices blend in much quicker and better with the lemons than the chunkier version. This chutney is ready to be eaten instantly and stays well in the refrigerator for weeks. If you are in India, you might have to wait 4-5 days or longer before this chutney is ready to be eaten, as the lemon rind there is much bitter. This chutney is so flavorful that you will find excuses to eat it. I hope you like it as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching my videos and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.